Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate YouTube TV on Smart TV step by step clearly. Turn on your Smart TV and ensure it is connected to your Wi-Fi network. Navigate to the App Store on your Smart TV. Search for the YouTube TV app using the search function. Select the YouTube TV app from the search results. Click the Install or Download button to install the app. Once installed, open the YouTube TV app on your Smart TV. You will see a welcome screen with options to sign in. Choose the Sign In option. A unique activation code will be displayed on your TV screen. Take note of this activation code as you will need it shortly. Now, grab your mobile device or computer and open a web browser. Visit the YouTube TV activation website at tv.youtube.com/start. Enter the activation code displayed on your Smart TV. Click the Next button to proceed. You will now be prompted to log into your Google account associated with YouTube TV. Enter your email and password, then click Next. Follow any additional prompts to verify your identity if required. Once logged in, your Smart TV will automatically refresh. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your YouTube TV is activated. You can now enjoy streaming your favorite content on YouTube TV. Feel free to explore the app's features and channels. Adjust your settings to tailor your viewing experience. Enjoy your new Smart TV streaming service. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.